Hi there everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit photos on CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, I have added a picture in my timeline right over here, and this picture has been added as a video. Like as you can see, my video length is like 4 second or 5 second. It has added as a 5 seconds, so I don't want this. You can adjust the time like this, you can just play with that, and after adjusting the timeline, then you can edit the picture. Like you can add some of the filters. Just go to the filters, and as you can see, here are too many filters right over here which can be adjusted with the photo. So let's just do with one. Like I want this glow option, so I will just drag and drop onto my clip or video. Then it will be like adding the glow effect into my photos. Like as you can see, let's just zoom into picture is like this. Now if we just add the filters, it will be like this. So that's how you can add the filters. Also you can go with some of the adjustment, like you can add customize adjustment for the picture. Let's just drag and drop the customize adjustment, then like this. Okay, after that you need to select the adjustment. Then from here you can add some of the LUTs. If you have any LUTs, you can add that from here, but if you don't have, you can just simply adjust. So let's just adjust some of the thing. Okay, just select that adjustment. You can play with these. Like if you want to rise the temperature, you will simply have everything, every single editing option right over here to edit the photo manually. Okay, so you can just play with that. You can saturation, use the saturation, use the lightness, anything. Okay, just play with that as your needings. Like I want to increase the exposure, I want to increase the contrast, shadow will be less. Okay, so I can edit the photo like this. After editing your photo, you can simply just need to go with this thing. First of all, select the both of these and right click on it and make sure to group it. Okay, otherwise any of the clips behind it will be at the same adjustment. Okay, so I suggest you to group it like this. Just select it, right click and group. Okay, oh, I forgot to show you another thing. You can also make it like beautiful. Like if I just want to scale it down, I can do that. After that, let's just select the photo and you will see an option called canvas. Okay, so after seeing this option, you can just tap on it and it will get to the drop down menu like this. You can simply just go with the pattern, and here is some of the patterns you may like if I just click one of it, and it will be like a background. Okay, so you can use it, rather use this, also use this, and anything you want. I will go with this one, and voila, you are done with the video. Okay, so I think this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and never forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.